Orange, mandarin, and lemon peels has some great benefits. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants, carrot can help repair skin tissues and protect against damage, keeping the skin healthy and glowing. Orange, mandarin, and lemon peels are high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. They can help brighten the skin, promote collagen production, and have natural astringent properties that can help tone the skin.
Oh, my lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in this video, I'm going to make my homemade infusing oil. Okay, guys, so before starting the process, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I don't know what to tell you guys. May Allah bless all of you. I really appreciate all of you. And those who are watching without subscribing, may Allah bless you too, because I know one day maybe you may change your mind and you want to subscribe or you want to follow my page. When you are watching me from Facebook, please kindly do me a favor, like my video, share it, comment, okay, and follow my page, so that you know that will make the Facebook, they also push my video up for me. Okay, guys, the only thing I need from you people, I don't need anything apart from liking it, or just give me comment or share it with your loved ones. That's the only thing I need from you people. So guys, this oil is going to be like glowing. Actually, I'm looking for something that benefit can be much more benefit. So this benefit homemade infusing oil, I'm using carrot, orange, mandarin, and lemon peel. So this natural oil is packed with vitamins and perfect for nourishing your skin and giving it a healthy glow. Learn how to make it. Okay, you also come with me and we make it by step, so that you guys will see how to make it. Well guys, after finish peeling my mandarin, my peels like this, actually this thing, this morning I drink lemon, so I didn't throw the peel away. That's why the lemon peel, I didn't remove it again. I just used the one that I used this morning. That one I'm going to cut inside. But remember guys, this thing, if you are in summer place, where the place you are, the country that you are living and is summer, it's very easier for you. Maybe you have that more opportunity, you can dry it, or you can even grind it like fresh like this and make it fresh one like this way. But for me, I don't want to do it that fresh way, because sometimes when you are going to strain, you have to be careful, or too much careful, because you don't need to let the water of the carrot or the lemon or the peels, let me put it that way, the peels to go inside of the oil. Otherwise it will spoil the oil very fast. So I love when the things are dry. So that means when it's dry, the water of it will be less. So now, because of here we are in winter now, it's not sunny, it's very cold, we are in winter. So I try to put it inside my oven. So guys, pray for me. You guys should pray for me that this thing did not burn or disappoint me. So if you are living in a country that there is a sun, what you have to do, you can just cut yours and dry it outside. Maybe when you just make it dry 2 days or 1 day even, you can get the dry one and pound it or mortar it, or you just put, I don't know, inside your blender or whatever that you have, or grind it, or how you are going to do, you can do it with a powder weight, to grind it and infuse your oil. So guys, please, while I put it inside the my micro oven like this, today this video also I'm going to call Jav. Okay, I want to ask Jav about using that thing, because I don't want something that will bleach my skin, so I'm always careful. Now I bring it up for the oven, you guys can see that it's not burnt. I'm lucky it's not burnt, but it's not all that, especially the carrot, not dry like the way I was wanted to dry, but it's okay for me, it's better than nothing. So let me call Jav right now, so that we'll see what Jav will say. With orange, 1 peel of orange, 1 peel of mandarin, and 1 peel of lemon stream. So I dried this thing in my microwave my oven, sorry. I dry it in my oven, and I infused this oil about 14 days now. I strain it actually today. So this oil also, I'm going to ask you, but I'm just doing, I don't want something that can bleach my skin. I just want something that can glow for me to get glowing skin. So this thing, do you think that it will glow my skin, or is something that is going to bleach my skin? And also the benefit of that carrot, orange, mandarin, and lemon. Can you please tell me the benefit of using it in? And also I use Johnson baby oil to infuse that oil. Can you please break it down for me? Thank you.
Infused oil with carrot, orange, mandarin, and lemon peels has some great benefits. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants, carrot can help repair skin tissues and protect against damage, keeping the skin healthy and glowing. Orange, mandarin, and lemon peels are high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. They can help brighten the skin, promote collagen production, and have natural astringent properties that can help tone the skin. Using Johnson's baby oil as the base for your infusion is fine, as it's gentle and helps lock in moisture. However, since it's mineral oil based, it doesn't offer additional nutrients for the skin like some plant-based oils do. For extra nourishment, you might consider mixing it with a bit of a carrier oil like almond or jojoba oil. As for skin bleaching, the ingredients you've used are not known to bleach the skin. Instead, they can help brighten and even out your skin tone. In summary, your infused oil should be great for adding a healthy glow to your skin without the risk of bleaching. Just be sure to do a patch test. Found it helpful.
Yeah.
If you have what's on your
So guys, you guys can listen what Jeff also or ChatGPT said, because I'm looking for something that can glow my skin. I don't want bleaching skin. I don't want something that will bleach my skin. So this one, I know that actually I'm already know. Before you start doing something, you know what you are doing, right? You know, definitely you may know what you are doing. But those who doesn't know, that's why I decided to do what to call, so that when I call, she can explain it again so that you guys also will hear, you know that what I'm doing is not like I'm just doing. I know what I'm doing, because I know that that thing cannot bleach your skin. It's going to glow, give me a glowing skin. For my baby skin, I need a baby skin. Oh my god, that's so amazing. I love that. Sorry guys. Yeah, so now you guys can see that I put it inside I put the Johnson baby oil inside. I make it half and I leave the half, so that after trying it, if it is good for my body, I'll come back again, because like I don't know, the carrot is okay, but the lemon, mandarin, and orange peel, I don't know, maybe it may give me itches, or it may not be good for my body, so I don't know. So guys, you can see after 14 days, after 14 days, I bring it out here. You can see the oil now, how bright the oil looking. I bring it out now, so I'm going to strain it, and also after straining it, guys, I'll try it. If it is good for me, I'll make another one. Maybe that video I'll not show it to you guys again, or I may show. I don't know how I'm going to do. Maybe my next oil I'll show or I will not show, but at the beginning, let me show it to you guys. So now, when you are going to strain it, please make sure you have a cheesecloth, or you have something that having tiny hole, something that is having tiny hole, so that it will not affect. Let me just pour everything inside like that, because it's not like, I don't feel like there is water inside. It looks like there is no water inside, so let me just pour it inside. So you have to look for something that having tiny hole, so that it will not the oil will not do what the particles will not go inside your oil. So now you can see how clean, there's no water inside. What I was saying is because I don't want the water. If like you make the fresh one, by now you may see the water would have be the under, but now because of the things was dry, and also I leave it to infuse long, that's why you can see that the oil is very clean. So I'm going to use it for my body. Please, if you find this video useful, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Okay, thank you very much. If you are watching me from Facebook, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe, follow my page, share it with your families and friends, give me thumbs up, comment, and so that Facebook, they also push my video up. Okay guys, now you can see, oh my god, how shiny it is. And look at my hand, look at the way I put it into how my hand is brightening. So that's it, that's my oil. So that's my brightening oil, that's my glowing skin oil. This one is glowing skin, that's my glowing skin oil. So thank you very much for watching. I love you all. I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.